Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you off your app notification in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to off guys your app notification so you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off app notification in our Vivo phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to off app notification. So guys, now let's see how to off app notification in our Vivo phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to off your app notification. And guys, scroll it, and guys you can see your notification setting in your Vivo phone. So guys, tap here, guys click on app setting, and guys you can see this most recent. So guys, tap here and guys click on all apps. So guys, you can see your all app list, and guys you can off your app notification from here, this right side. So which app guys notification guys you want to off in your Vivo phone, so guys you can off from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off app notification in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.